In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change cursor on iPad. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can easily customize the cursor that you have when you connect a mouse to your iPad. So by default, it is going to be usually a little circle that you can control using your mouse. So unlike a standard cursor that you might see on a Windows or a Mac, you will have this circle that you can use to highlight things around the iPad. You can actually customize that circle. So open the settings on your iPad, go to the accessibility category, and in here look for pointer control. So this is where you can customize the visuals of the cursor that appears. If you want to change other settings like the speed, then you have to do it under the general category and look for mouse and trackpad instead. But to customize the visuals, it is going to be available here on pointer control. So first you will have appearance, pointer size, and scrolling speed. You can increase the contrast, automatically hide the cursor if you don't move it often, and then change the color. Next, you will have the size, so the higher this is, the more to the right, the bigger the actual circle, which is essentially your cursor, is going to be. You have the option to enable or disable animations, which might adapt to elements on the screen, and you can change the scrolling speed, so when you scroll up and down, if your mouse has a scroll wheel. If you tap on the color, you can also customize the border width. So it is going to be by default a circle, and there is going to be a border around it. And this border will be colored according to the color that you pick on this menu and the width that you set up here. After this is done, just make sure that the mouse remains connected and you will be able to see the newly customized cursor that you have made. I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.